everyone, and thank you once again for joining me, Jan Hart, wherever you're watching this, whether it's LinkedIn or Google Plus or Facebook, Instagram. We just appreciate you for following Holistic Coaching and our nonprofit Firmly Established. I'm just taking a moment to do this vlog here in Georgia because Chris and I have been traveling all the way up the East Coast. We went all the way to New Jersey. We've been stopping state by state, just talking to family and friends. Yes, family and friends. I just want to take a moment on this vlog to remind you to remember your family and friends. You have to give them the same energy that you would any new customer pool. We took this trip in order to just connect with our family and our friends and make sure that they knew that we have this cruise coming up. This is a real cruise. This is something that we definitely want all of you to be involved in. This cruise is going to support our nonprofit. This is going to be an awesome way to have fun as well as support what it is that we're doing. And everyone was really excited, and we were excited that they were excited. When your family sees that you take them seriously, that you're looking at them as though they deserve your marketing time, they deserve your marketing dollars, that their satisfaction with your customer service is just as important as the stranger who you meet, and you're promoting your business to them. When your family sees that, then they're more likely to be a supporter. Don't just dismiss family and friends and think that they're just supposed to lend support. Do them the same way you would do any new customer market. Spend time talking with them. Spend time networking with them. Give them promotions. Give them incentives in order to be a person who is supporting your endeavor. So once again, as always, I hope this vlog lends a little bit of motivation, gives you a fresh perspective on something that you're doing to help your business propel forward. And as always, if holistic coaching can be of any help, please check out our free products page. We would love to help market your business and help you to move forward in whatever it is that your heart desires. We look forward to seeing your business be successful. So thank you so much for your support of what we're doing. We look forward to supporting what you're doing. And don't forget, never neglect your friends and family as though they are just a guaranteed market. Make sure that you treat them the same way you treat all your new prospective customers. Have a great day, and we appreciate you. What it is that we're doing, what's coming up next. We've been promoting the cruise. We've been promoting all of our services. And so what I wanted to just encourage all of the people who follow us and listen to us, like the post. We just ask you to share, share, help us spread word of mouth, because what happens is that people see your diligence, they see your reach, and then they say, hey, wait a minute, let me be a part of that. So we just thank you for your time, we thank you for your support, and we just look forward to seeing more of you on social media, and especially on this new vlog series on YouTube. Just keep up with us, we're getting better, and we appreciate you for following us here. For all of your business needs and for social service endeavors, check us out first.